In this video, we will show you how to get UTR numbers online in HMRC. If you guys want to get started with HMRC, use the links in the description. First, go to your browser and type HMRC in the search bar. Next, scroll down to the search results. Then click on the link that says HMRC Online Services Sign In or Set Up an Account. This will take you to the HMRC Online Services page. On this page, find and select the option that says Set Up an Account. This will guide you through the process of creating your HMRC online account. Now you will be prompted to enter your government gateway user ID. After entering your gateway ID, you will have to enter your password. Make sure your password is correct and matches the one you set up when you created your government gateway account. Once you have entered your user ID and password, hit sign in to access your HMRC online account. So that is how to get UTR numbers online in HMRC. Use the links in the description to get started with HMRC. If the video was helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.